Hi, this is Andy Lamar with Pepperl+Fuchs, and this is our latest installment of Ask an Expert, where we sit down with a product expert and answer questions from customers like you. And today's product expert is Aaron Severa, and Aaron is our product manager for our remote I/O and bus systems. So Aaron, thank you for joining us, and let's get started. All right, our first question asks, I'm looking for information regarding Foundation Fieldbus protocol, power supplies, hubs, and testing equipment. If you can let me know what you have available from Pepperl+Fuchs for use in one system that has 2 field devices and another that has 4, both in Div 1 locations, can you please provide suggestions and literature on what to propose?
At P&F we offer solutions for any topology, whether it's classed a division location or a zone classified location. For this particular small installation in a Division 1 location, we would need 2 different components, a power supply module and a field distribution module. For the power supply, we would offer either our DIN rail mountable basic power supply module, which comes in a standard K-system housing and is capable of outputting up to 360 milliamps. The second power supply option would be our motherboard mounted solution, which can be ordered in 1, 2, 4, or 8 segment packages with or without redundancy. The power supplies that mount on these motherboards would be capable of outputting up to 500 milliamps. For this particular installation, I think the single basic power supply module would be best. When field devices are located in a Division 1 area, we would use a product called a field barrier for distribution. This module will be mounted either in the safe area or the Division 2 area. The trunk line from the previously mentioned power supplies would run into the field barrier, which would provide 4 intrinsically safe spur outputs to the field devices in the Division 1 area.
Alright, let's move on to the second question, and they ask, do you have a Foundation Fieldbus to current conversion module? They need to translate the Fieldbus command to an analog output for the positioner.
We have remote I/O systems that are capable of converting standard field signals, such as analog inputs, analog outputs, digital inputs, and digital outputs, into a communication protocol such as Foundation Fieldbus, Profibus, Modbus, or Ethernet. These remote I/O systems are comprised of a backplane, a power supply, communication gateway, and then the required I/O modules. These systems are extremely useful if an application has the need for standard instrumentation, but the control system is a bus-related communication protocol such as Foundation Fieldbus. An example of standard instrumentation would be a 4 to 20 milliamp transmitter or an analog valve.
Alright, moving on to our last question, and they ask, do you have a Foundation Fieldbus surge suppressor that is designed in accordance with IEEE 62.41.2-2002 or its European equivalent, DIN EN 60079-14?
We do not have a Foundation Fieldbus surge suppressor that is in accordance with EN 60079-14. However, all of our Fieldbus surge protectors are in accordance with EN 60079-15, as well as -11. 60079-15 provides a single standard for the design of apparatus in a Zone 2 solution. 60079-15 uses 60079-14 as a basis, but modifies and reduces the requirements for equipment to be used in a Zone 2 application. This in turn reduces some of the installation requirements and provides a net cost savings.
Alright, well that concludes this segment of Ask an Expert. I want to thank Aaron for joining us, and I want to thank everyone who submitted questions. If you have a question, please feel free to visit our website, send us an email, or give us a call. Thanks again.